How to create Douyin account outside China. In this video, I'll show you a specific method for you to be able to create an account on Douyin if you're currently located outside China. Now, Douyin's official website is actually accessible outside China, but the main problem there is you won't be able to use the same or a phone number because of the area code availability. Now all you have to do is to click this login option for you to be able to use your phone and register or sign up with Douyin. Now if you click this option right here, that is going to be the area code of the phone number, and you found out that the area code of your phone number that you're using is not available here, then you just need to choose and use an SMS phone number for free on your preferred web browser. Choose on your preference right here or any trusted sources. But the most important thing here is just to receive an OTP or one-time password, and you can definitely create an account outside China. And that's how you create a Douyin account outside China.